Welcome to the video, dear students. Let us continue with the remaining module, Standard 7th, Subject Mathematics, Topic Algebraic Expressions and Operations on them, Module 3. Let us recall some concepts which we have seen in the previous video. (3n plus 1, 3t, 2t plus 3y, 2 into L plus b are the examples of algebraic expressions. From the above algebraic expressions, n, t, y, L, b and x are the variables in these expressions. In the expressions 3x, 3 is the coefficient of the variable x. So 3 is the coefficient and x is the variable. In the expression minus 515t, minus 15 is the coefficient of the variable t. In the expression, an expression in which multiplication is the only operation is called as a term. An algebraic expression may have one term or maybe the sum of several terms. Like terms and unlike terms. Terms which have the same variables with the same powers are called like terms. Like terms are, example first 2x, 5x, minus 2 upon 3x. So here they have same variables, that is x. Also the powers of the variables are 1. So they are called as like terms. Second is minus 5x square y, 6 upon 7 x square y. So here they have same variables, that is x square y is same for both minus 7 and 6 upon 7. So these two are also the examples of like terms. Second is the unlike terms. Unlike terms are opposite of like terms. That is, they do not have same variables with the same powers. First example of unlike terms is 7xy, 9y square, minus 2xyz. Here we can see that all the three have different variables. That is, coefficient 7 has variable xy, coefficient 9 has variable y square and coefficient minus 2 has variable xyz. So all the three variables are different, hence this is called as unlike term. Second example is 8mn, 8m square n square, 8m cube n. So here again they have different variables with different powers. So this is also an example of unlike terms. Next is type of algebraic expression. Expressions are named after the number of terms they have. Expressions with one term are called monomials. Those with two terms are called binomials. With three terms are called trinomials. And if they have more than three terms, they are called as polynomials. Let us see the examples of monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomials. First is the monomial. First is 4x. As we can see that the number of term is only 1. So it is an example of monomial. Second example is 6m. Here also only one term is there. So this is also an example of monomial. Second type of algebraic expression is binomial. In binomial, they have two terms. So 2x minus 3y. Here 2x is one term and 3y is the second term. So binomial has two terms. Second example is 3mn minus 5m square n. Again here there are two terms present. So this is also an example of binomial. Third, trinomials. In trinomials, three terms are present. Let us see the examples of trinomials. First example is A plus B plus C. Here A, B and C are the three terms which are present or which are separated by addition sign in between. So this is an example of trinomial. Second example is x square plus 5xy plus y. Here also three terms are present, that is x square, 5xy and y. So this is also an example of trinomial. Last is the polynomial. Let us see the examples of polynomial. First, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab minus b cube. Here more than three terms are present, that is four terms we can see. A cube, comma minus 3a square b, comma 3ab, comma minus b cube. These are the four terms, hence this is an example of polynomial. Let us see the second example of polynomial. 8mn plus 8m square n square plus 8m cube n cube plus 8. This is an example of polynomial because there are more than three terms present. Now let us see the sums based on equations in one variable. Practice set 36. First question. Simplify 3x minus 11y in one bracket minus 17x plus 13y and choose the right answer. So first question is 7x minus 12y. Second option is minus 4x minus 54y. Third option is minus 3 into 5x plus 4y. And the last option is minus 2 into bracket 7x plus 12y. So we have to simplify the given expression and choose which is the right option out of these four options. Solution: 3x minus 11y in one bracket minus 17x plus 13y in the second bracket is equal to, in the second step we are going to open all the brackets. So you will have 3x minus 11y minus 17x minus 13y. Since there is subtraction sign, so all the signs of the second bracket will get opposite. The third step will be is equal to 3x minus 17x in one bracket plus minus 11y minus 13y in the second bracket. Here in the third step we have done, or we have brought all the like terms together. Next step will be simplifying the brackets. So 3x minus 17x will be minus 14x plus minus 11y minus 13y will become minus 24y. Now we have put bracket to minus 24y. We are going to remove that bracket. So plus and minus will become minus. So we will have minus 14x minus 24y. Now in the next step we are going to take minus 2 common out of the bracket. So you will have in bracket 7x plus 12y. So the correct option is the fourth one, that is minus 2 into 7x plus 12y. Second question. The product of 2 23x square y cube z and minus 15x cube y z square is dash. So again there are four options given. We have to find out which is the correct option. The first option is minus 345 x raised to 5 y raised to 4 z cube. Second option is 345 x square y cube z raised to 5. Third option is 145 x cube y square z. Fourth option is 170 x cube y square z. So out of these four options, we have to find out which is the correct option by multiplying 23x square y cube z and minus 15x cube y z square. So let us find out by multiplying it. 23x square y cube z into minus 15x cube yz square is equal to 23 into minus 15, as we have studied how to multiply the two algebraic expressions. First we have to multiply the coefficients and later on the variables. So 23 into minus 15 into x square into y cube into z into x cube into y into z square. So 23 into minus 15 is minus 345. X square into x cube will become x raised to 5. Y cube into y will become y raised to 4. And z into z square will become z cube. So the correct option is option A, that is minus 345 x raised to 5 y raised to 4 z cube. Third question of practice set 36. Solve the following equation. First one, 4x is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Solution, 4x is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 4x is equal to, now we have denominators equal, that is 2, so we can subtract the numerators. So we will have 9 minus 1 upon 2. In the next step, we will have 4x is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8 upon 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we will have 4x is equal to 4 in the next step. After this, we are going to bring 4 from 4x on the right hand side of the equation. So it will become divided. So we will have x is equal to 4 upon 4. So therefore x is equal to 1. So the answer of x is equal to 1. Second one, 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. Solution, 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. Therefore, 2y plus 5 is equal to 10. We have just written it vice versa. That is, we have brought 2y plus 5 on the left hand side and 10 we have taken on the right hand side. As equal to sign is there in between, so we can do this method. So we will have 2y is equal to 10 minus 5. 5 we take on the right hand side. So it was plus 5 before. When you take on the right hand side, it will become minus 5. So we will have 2y is equal to 10 minus 5. So 2y is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. So therefore the value of y will be equal to 5 divided by 2. Since it was 2 multiplied by y, when we take 2 on the right hand side of the equation, so it will become divided. So we will have 5 divided by 2. So the answer of y is 5 divided by 2. Third sum of the third question, 5m minus 4 is equal to 1. Solution, 5m minus 4 is equal to 1. So 5m is equal to 1 plus 4. We want to find out the value of m. So we have 5m is equal to 5. M is equal to 5 divided by 5. Therefore, we get the value of m as 1. So m is equal to 1 is the value of m. Fourth question, 6x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 8. Solution, 6x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 8. So 6x minus 3 is equal to 8 plus 1. Here we have brought like terms together. So like terms have 6x and 3x, both are like terms. So that we have brought together, and 8 plus 1 we have taken on the another side. So we get 6x minus 3 is equal to 8 plus 1. 6x minus 3 is 3x and 8 plus 1 is 9. So we get 3x is equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 divided by 3. So we get the value of x as 9 divided by 3, which is 3. So the value of x we get is 3. Fifth sum, 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 4x plus 2. Again here we want to find out the value of x. By solving the equation, we will get the value of x. Solution, 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 4x plus 2. So this 2 we are going to multiply inside the bracket. So we will have 2 into x minus 2 into 4 is equal to 4x plus 2. Therefore 2 into x we get answer as 2x, 2 into 4 we get answer as 8. So we will get the equation as 2x minus 8 is equal to 4x plus 2. So therefore 4x plus 2 we are going to write it on left hand side, and 2x minus 8 we are going to write on the right hand side. As there is equal to sign in between, we can do such thing. So we will have 4x plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 8. So therefore 4x minus 2x is equal to minus 8 minus 2. We have brought like terms together to simplify it further. So 4x minus 2x we get as 2x, minus 8 minus 2 we get answer as minus 10. So the equation will become 2x is equal to minus 10. Now we want to find out the value of x. So we will have x is equal to minus 10 divided by 2, which is minus 5. So the value of x we get as minus 5. Sixth question. 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 74. Solution. 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 74. Now what we do is we multiply 5 inside the bracket with both the terms which are present inside the bracket. So we have 5 into x plus 5 into 1 is equal to 74, which is equal to 5x plus 5, which is equal to 74. So therefore 5x is equal to 74 minus 5. We just take 5 on the right hand side of the equation. So it was plus 5 before. When we take it on the right hand side, it will become minus 5. So we get 5x is equal to 74 minus 5. 74 minus 5 is 69. So we get 5x is equal to 69. Therefore, x is equal to 69 upon 5. Hence, we get the value of x as 69 divided by 5. Practice set 36. Fourth question. Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? So we have to find out what is the age of Rakesh and what is the age of Sania. They have just given that Rakesh is smaller than Sania by 5 years and the sum of their ages is 27 years. So we have to find out what is the age of Rakesh and Sania by solving. Solution. Let the age of Sania be x years. Then the age of Rakesh will become x minus 5 years because Rakesh is 5 smaller or 5 less than Sania. According to the question, the sum of ages of Sania and Rakesh is 27 years. So hence we get x plus x minus 5 is equal to 27, as we have considered the age of Sania as x years and the age of Rakesh as x minus 5 years. So their sum of their ages will become x plus x minus 5 is equal to 27. We are going to solve this expression first, or the equations first. So we will have x plus x minus 5 is equal to 27, which will become 2x minus 5 is equal to 27, which will become 2x is equal to 27 plus 5. So 2x is equal to 27 plus 5 is 32. So 2x is equal to 32. So x will be equal to 32 divided by 2. So x is equal to 16. So we get the value of x as 16. So the age of Sania, which we had considered x years, is equal to 16 years. And the age of Rakesh, which we had considered x minus 5 years, which is equal to 16 minus 5 years, which is equal to 11 years. So the age of Sania is 16 years and the age of Rakesh is 11 years. So we have found out the ages of both Sania and Rakesh. Fifth question. When planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater than the number of ashoka trees by 60. If there are altogether 200 trees of these two types, how many jambul trees were planted? Solution. let the number of Ashoka trees planted in the forest is equal to x. Then the number of jambul trees planted in the forest is equal to x plus 60. According to the question, the total number of Ashoka and jambul trees planted in the forest is 200. So we will have x plus 60 is equal to 200 because x is the number of Ashoka trees and x plus 60 is the number of jambul trees, and in the question they have given that total or the sum of Ashoka and jambul is 200. So we will have x plus 60 is equal to 200, which is equal to x plus 60 is equal to 200. Therefore 2x plus 60 is equal to 200. So we will have 2x is equal to 200 minus 60, as we have taken 60 on the right hand side of the equation. So we will have 2x is equal to 140. Now 2 also we are going to take on the right hand side of the equation. So we will have x is equal to 140 divided by 2. So therefore x is equal to 70. So hence we get the number of Ashoka trees planted in the forest. We had considered x. So x value we got is 70. So total 70 Ashoka trees were planted in the forest, and number of jambul trees planted we had considered x plus 60. So we have 70 plus 60 is equal to 130. So number of jambul trees planted in the forest is 130 and number of Ashoka trees planted in the forest is 70. Sixth sum. Shubhangi has twice as many 20 rupee note as she has 50 rupee notes. Altogether she has 2700 rupees. How many 550 rupee notes does she have? Solution. Let the number of 50 rupee notes is equal to x. Then the number of 20 rupee notes is equal to 2 into number of 50 rupee notes, which is equal to 2x. Amount of 50 rupee notes is equal to rupees 50 into x is equal to rupees 50x. Amount of 20 rupee notes is equal to rupees 20 into 2x is equal to rupees 40x. It is given that the total amount is rupees 2700. So therefore 50x plus 40x is equal to 2700. Therefore 90x is equal to 2700. So x is equal to 2700 upon 90. So the value of x we get is equal to 30. So number of 50 rupee notes is equal to x, which we had considered that the value of x we got as 30. So number of 50 rupee notes is 30 and number of 20 rupee notes we had considered 2 into x, which is equal to 2 into 30, that is equal to 60. Seventh question. Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. The total of their scores is 2 less than a double century. How many runs did each of them make? Solution. Let the runs scored by Rohit is equal to x. Then the runs scored by Virat is equal to 2 times runs scored by Rohit. So 2 into x. According to the question, the total of their scores is 2 less than a double century. Double century or 1 century is 100. So double century means it will be 200. So 2 less than 200. So we get x plus 2x is equal to 200 minus 2. So therefore 3x is equal to 198. We want the value of x. So we have x is equal to 198 divided by 3. So we get the value of x is equal to 66. Hence, runs scored by Rohit, we had considered x is 66, and runs scored by Virat, we had considered 2 into x, which is equal to 2 into 66 is equal to 132. So the runs scored by Rohit is 66 and the runs scored by Virat is 132. I hope you all have liked the video and the video was helpful in your learning. Thank you.